Welcome to my channel. My name is Poulami, and today this video will be some kind of different. The video is all about fire painting, so I just shown the whole steps. So I hope you like it. If you like it, then leave a big thumbs up and also share as much as you can, and also subscribe my channel. That is very important for me because this is a new channel that I can explore many things that all about the painting and the dancing, obviously. So okay, bye bye. See it. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Let's start it. So here is my paper and here is my tab, you can see, and the brush I use for the painting, and a towel, and here is the all colors I just need it, and here is the bowl. So yeah, let's start it, and the pencil.